say we invite Temptations to the party and complete the visit.
Oh, I like this.
Oh.
Ooh, you're very
we've
funny.
We've only had this on 2 times.
Correct.
It has been super popular.
Yes.
And you're getting 4 pieces. Where
I have them right here.
You have them right here.
I did that.
From the Steak It Would Have Been Me department.
I knew you would want to see it.
All right. Sugar and creamer.
Yes.
Is first.
Yes, 10 ounces. Both of these are 10 ounces, and you have the little sugar shell with the cute little lid.
You can put cubes or loose sugar
sure.
in there.
Great call.
Turbinado, thank you. Or sugar cubes, white granulated sugar.
Sure.
Powdered sugar, sugar substitute.
You can put cranberry sauce in there. I'll show you a million different things you can do with these because it's fantastic.
And then?
Of course, we have a beautiful 14-ounce gravy boat. Nice helper handle here on the side. Beautiful wide mouth pour spout here, which is fantastic. Sweet little pedestal. This is our whimsy, so we're showing you all the characters.
The ham glaze.
Oh, perfect ham glaze.
For
maple syrup.
spiral cut.
I love that.
Yep.
And then a double wide butter dish, meaning it'll take 2 sticks of butter and it'll also take a brick of cream cheese. So love the fact that, again, you have your key pieces.
So you need a little
especially around the
schmear.
holidays. You need a little schmear.
For your bagel.
Of course. You're just bagels.
You can do a little schmear.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
all
we
right.
have all the colors, all the patterns back here. We're just showing you the butter dish.
Let's go through those, and I'm going to stand it over here in the corner so I don't get in the way. All right, let's start up top with woodland. This is gray. Most popular is going to be white. I can tell you that. I don't even know that for sure, but I can tell you right now it's probably white.
Usually is.
This is the slate blue, fewer than 100, and finally buttercream. Only a few dozen left in buttercream. Now, down here is floral lace. This is black. Then we go over to red. Our always popular inky cobalt blue, the green, and the cranberry. About 100 left in cranberry.
Ooh,
we don't do cranberry that often.
Correct.
Up top is Old World. Here is the green. And if you look on the bottom of the butter keeper, you're going to see more Old World flowers. Green was the first color ever introduced by Temptations. Oh, green just sold out.
Really?
Take green away.
Wow. All right.
I'll leave it right there, Travis, if you want to grab it. All right, then I have blue, another one of our popular colors. A very popular, last call. Here's red. 150, and here is our very popular confetti, fewer than 300. Now, these are the seasonal patterns.
Yes, and they're new.
Want to give us a tour?
I do. I'm so excited. All right, so up top here, we have, of course, our doodle-doo. That's going to be our beautiful red. There's the quadrifoil with the rooster there. Remember, we're only showing you the butter dish, but you get all 4 pieces. Here's Pawfetti. Yes, we did it in Pawfetti. Love that. Thank you. It's just going to turn the little hearts around. So there you can see all of the pieces coordinating and matching
only
back.
Only $4.50 in the Pawfetti.
Here's, of course, our gnomes.
Hanging
with the gnomies. This is a new, which we love, so you've been loving that.
We have 4 dozen left.
Matches back to the dinnerware. If you've picked up our dinnerware, these are a perfect match. Here's, of course, the confetti. I do the sweet little cardinal in honor of my dad.
Poinsettia.
I'm sorry, poinsettia. What did I call it?
Confetti.
Oh, perfect. Not really.
Not
any day.
Not,
Not even close.
That's why I'm here. Hey, this is the cardinal.
Yes, our
you do in honor of your father.
Yes, I do. So you have the cardinal on the base, and of course you have the cardinal on the lid. And then there, of course, is our whimsy. That's going to have all of our Fab 4 characters, and that's really sweet to match back, of course, with everything you've been collecting in our dinnerware.
So cute. So stinking cute.
And so practical. These are those key pieces that we always need that
now,
maybe we don't have.
Maybe on Sunday you picked up the dinnerware.
This is my
We
point.
have the dinnerware to mention tonight. We're going to show it on QVC.com.
Oh, excellent. What a value.
If you want to pair your completer set with the matching pieces from the dinnerware, perfect.
I love that. They all coordinate back.
I am ready for gobble, gobble, gobble.
What we do
And turkey.
Look, love the idea of course, putting your cranberry sauce in here because, again, you can chill these ahead of time. Here we did the double sticks of butter. And I want to show you also, guys, like, it's not going to stick to the lid. So if you're like, does it really fit the 2 sticks of butter? Oh, it really fits the 2 sticks of butter. My mom may or may not have requested that. And then down here, look at this. We actually did a beautiful mushroom gravy, which I also love that we did in that smaller one. So look how beautiful that is. Uh-oh. What happened?
Gobble, 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 gobble,
Oh, we're just going to gobble?
Gobble, 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 gobble. I am ready for the foodie Super Bowl.
You're always ready for the foodie
I'm always
Super Bowl.
ready to eat.
It's true.
This is, and look, if you are someone that heats the maple syrup before you serve breakfast or brunch, and you put a little syrup on the salty breakfast meats because
Guilty
that's the
as
rule.
charged.
Yeah. On the bacon, on the sausage, or as I call them, sausages. And maybe on the swirl bread, the Jimmy the Baker bread.
Love.
The Just Bagels.
How beautiful that is.
The waffles.
I love, again, the silhouette there.
And this will go in the
pedestal.
microwave, yes?
It'll go right in the microwave. It'll go in the dishwasher, so you can put all your pieces there. It goes in the fridge, the freezer, and, of course, our favorite part, the dishwasher. But now you have those key pieces, those 4 key pieces. I'm going to grab the butter dish from back here. You have the double butter dish. You have that beautiful 14-ounce gravy boat. And then you have your 10-ounce little mini pitcher, or I love to use it for milk and cream. And then, of course, you have what we call our little covered sugar shell, also both 10 ounces. So all of these great pieces coming together.
And this is Winter Whimsy.
Yes, so cute.
Just sold out.
Oh, okay.
Gone.
Okay.
We'll take that, put it down.
Wow. These are, I'm telling you, these are your key pieces that you're always looking for. And now you have them in a coordinated set and thoughtfully put together.
But if you want a Winter Whimsy, gone.
Right. And
All
what's the
right.
other? Did we lose something else?
Have we lost any others, Mr. Allen?
Green Old World.
We're very close because many are limited. Let's go through these.
All right.
This is gnomes.
I'm going to snuggle with
Get
you.
on in here. Come snuggle.
Couple dozen left here. This is poinsettia. Couple dozen left there. This is pulpetti. About 100 left, and in the red doodle, few hundred. All right, then here's cranberry floral lace.
These are beautiful.
Love that.
We're last call on cranberry. Here's green, and this has the reverse color on the inside of the butter plate. There's blue, then the red, then in the corner is the black. Now, up top is what I have left in Old World. That's confetti. Beside that is the red, 150 in the red, and the blue. Sold out. Blue is gone.
There you go.
All right,
Perfect.
up top.
It works over there, too.
Perfect.
Let's take a look at woodland, and we're going to start in the which side? This side. This is buttercream. 24 left. Wow. Slate blue. 300 left. White.
My favorite.
Oh, yeah.
How
4
gorgeous that is.
I'm sorry. Oh no, white is okay.
Okay, good.
All right, so we're good in white.
We've been getting
But white
better
is always
about
popular.
bringing in enough of the white.
Woodland.
But gray, I have 200 left.
Wow. Okay.
All right, now are we going to go through the dinnerware on .com now? Okay, so if you were here Sunday, how many of these were ordered on Sunday?
I think we were close to 8,000.
All right, and it's the lowest price ever
Ever.
for the dinnerware. Ever.
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 All right, the dinnerware is how much is the dinnerware?
39.
30.